So I pretty much set up this method on Wednesday, August the 2nd, and I didn't make any money on that day, and it took me another 2 days to actually see some results with this. But because this takes literally just 10 minutes to set up, you can see that I was able to make $162.74 just by working for 10 minutes. Now this is not going to be making you this amount of money every 10 minutes, but if you're going to set up this method using a brand new untapped traffic source that is getting 1.7 billion monthly views, which is literally 1.7 thousand millions, that's like 1/4 of the world's population comes to this website every single month. And today I'm going to show you how to tap into this traffic source that's more popular than Pinterest or even TikTok. Now this is going to be a brand new untapped traffic source that not many people know about, and also I'm going to show you one of its brand new features that it didn't have before that we are going to use to target tons of qualified traffic and to get some sales. And also, if you're going to watch this video from beginning to the end, you will know exactly how to set this up, and it's going to take you just at like 10 minutes. And at the end I'm going to show you a simple hack that I've been using myself with this method to make it work even faster. So instead of waiting days for your first sale, it can take just as little as a couple of hours. So if you enjoy videos about making money online, make sure to hit that like button under this video. Let's try and make it 500 likes for this video, and also make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, so first of all, what you want to do is go to clickbank.com, and if you've never been on this website before, you want to sign up for your free account. And I have gone through this process in some of my previous videos, so I'm not going to bother you with the details right now, but I know many new people are watching these videos, so make sure you are going to grab yourself a ClickBank account, because we are going to be using this affiliate marketplace to generate money. So first of all, you want to grab yourself a ClickBank account, free account, and then you want to log right into it. Then just head over straight to the affiliate marketplace, and instead of choosing one of these niches that you want to be promoting offers from, I'm going to show you how to do that on top offers that you can find on ClickBank. Pretty much if you're going to click on sort by top offers, you will get the list of the best selling affiliate offers right here on ClickBank, and as you can see, every single one of these is going to be making you over $100. Some of these are going to be making you even more than that, because pretty much these are average conversions. These conversions are estimated from all the sales of the product, what people made on average, so pretty much you can make even more money than it's displayed right here. Now what you want to do here is pretty much just sort through these offers, and you want to find some that are going to be very high converting, and you can judge that by this gravity score next to the offer. The higher the gravity score, the better it's converting, and you will have that easier time to make money with it. Now pretty much you want to go through all of these, and you want to find some that on top of being high converting are going to provide you with tons of done for you resources. This is very important because you don't want to be creating any of these resources yourself. To make it as easier as possible, all you want to do is just copy the done for you resources that are going to be provided for you on the affiliate page. Just pretty much head over to the affiliate page of this product, and as you can see right here, this one could work very well, this Alpiline weight loss supplement, which is one of the top selling offers on ClickBank for some time. And as you can see right here, you get everything from email swipes, images that you can use for this, tracking pixels, and all that good stuff that you can use. So pretty much if you're going to be doing this method, Alpiline is one of those products that you can do this for, but you can also do this for multiple offers at the same time, so that way you will increase your chance of making money. Now the exact product that I use myself to generate over $160 with this method was found in this self-help section, and right here at the top you've got this product that's called His Secret Obsession that's going to be paying you on average over $60 for each of these conversions, and it's the top performing product right now at the time of recording this video with a gravity score of 131. Now because these self-help and relationship affiliate products are always very good at conversions all year round, you can rely on them to get you some sales in. That's the reason why I decided to go for this exact niche, but pretty much you can follow this method up with any affiliate offer that you want to go for, and it's still going to work the same. Now pretty much what you want to do is just go to the affiliate page of the product, and you want to make sure that it's going to provide you with all these done for you resources. That way you can just pretty much copy and paste all of this stuff that's specifically designed to promote the product that you have chosen, and it's tailor made for that exact product, so you don't have to spend time creating anything yourself. All you have to do is just drive traffic from the traffic source that I'm going to show you to the sales page. Also what you want to make sure is that you are going to pick a product that's going to have very nicely designed sales page, for example something like this with this video presentation, or if I'm going to skip to the text version of the sales page, it's going to look something like this, because the sales page is going to be doing all the selling for you. So that's the reason why you want to have something high converting, so you can make the most from the traffic source that I'm going to show you. So pretty much to start with this method, all you want to do is just grab yourself an affiliate link for the product by clicking this promote button, and all you have to do is just fill in your ClickBank nickname and click on create a hub link. That way you will get your very own affiliate link, and every time somebody is going to use this exact link to get to the sales page and they are going to make a purchase, you are going to get paid. So once you're going to copy your affiliate link, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for your favorite link shortener. Now one of the reasons why I like using Bitly is because it's going to store all the links in a very nice library that I can return to and just copy it from there. So just go to your favorite link shortener, and if you're using Bitly, just click on create new, click on create a link, and you want to paste it into this destination field just like that. For this method, you don't have to customize this back half option because we are not going to be displaying this link directly, and all you have to do then is just click on create link right here and it's going to get created. Now once you're going to have such a link like this, you can save it into a notepad or somewhere, or if you're using Bitly, it's going to get stored for you so you don't have to copy and paste it anywhere else. And now we can move to the traffic source. Now for this, what you want to do is go back to Google and you want to search for LinkedIn. Hit search on that, and pretty much what you can see right here, you are going to be shown this website that's called the linkedin.com. You may know this website if you have ever been hunting for a job or trying to build your online resume. This website is one of the most popular, most visited websites out there right now, and it's being used to advertise yourself, your skills, and pretty much most of you are going to probably know it if you've ever been looking for a job. And as you can see right here, LinkedIn is getting over 1.7 billion monthly visitors from all over the world, and if you can see right here in these statistics, it's even more popular than TikTok or even Pinterest. It's right below Reddit and Discord, but it's still more popular than these two traffic sources that most of the people are using for affiliate marketing nowadays. So if you're going to be doing this method on LinkedIn, you are going to be one of the few people that get started with this, because this is a brand new feature. Because of this brand new feature that I'm going to show you. So pretty much what you want to do is go to LinkedIn and you want to sign up for your free account. And if you even have an account on LinkedIn, I highly suggest that you're going to create a brand new account for this. Now as you can see right here, I have set up a dummy account on LinkedIn, and to be completely honest, I never used LinkedIn before trying out this method, not even to find a job or nothing like that, and I know very little about this website. So if you have some more experience than me with LinkedIn, you may find this very trivial, very easy to do, and based on the numbers alone, you literally can't lose any money on this. Now the exact feature that I was talking about that LinkedIn added recently can be found right here. You can see you can create a post sharing something on LinkedIn, but pretty much what you want to do is go to this write article button and you want to click on it. This wasn't here before, and pretty much what you want to do here, and pretty much what it allows you to do is create your own article on LinkedIn that you can then drive traffic to, and all you want to do here is just pretty much copy something that's already pre-made for you on the affiliate page. So just go to the affiliate page, and pretty much what you want to do is go through these done for you resources and find something and find some article that you can use for this. Then just open these articles up, and as you can see, for this exact product, you just have to download this very simple file that's going to contain all the resources. So I'm just going to click on download and then just go through these folders and find a high quality article to promote this product. Now pretty much I'm going to check out these rich HTML articles, and I'm just going to open it up. It's going to open in my browser, and as you can see right here, I've got tons of high quality text that I can use to promote this product, and pretty much all you have to do here is just copy this text from these done for you resources and use it to write an article on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to paste this part in here just like that. I'm going to go back to the affiliate resources, and let's also put this part in here, because what you want to do is put there a part that's going to contain this phrase click here to learn more. Why this is important, I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds, but pretty much what you want to do is copy this part as well and paste it into the LinkedIn article creator. Then you want to go back to your link shortener and you want to copy the shortened affiliate link. Hop back to LinkedIn, and what you want to do is embed this sentence with your affiliate link. So pretty much all you have to do is just highlight it, go to this link button, then just paste your affiliate link in there and click on apply. That way this part of the sentence will become a clickable button, and every time somebody is going to click on it, they will come to the sales page through your affiliate link, and that's how you actually get the money. Now pretty much once you create an article just like this, what you want to also do is create a banner for it, and for that just go back to the affiliate page and you want to go to section where it says banners. Now not all of these are going to have this banner section. All you want to do is just pick some image that's provided with the affiliate offer. So I'm just going to go to this banner section, and right here you can see tons of done for you images that you can pretty much just copy and use with this method. So I'm just going to pick one of these, and previously I used one of these right here at the top, so I'm just going to do exactly the same thing. So I'm just going to open it up, save it to my computer just like that, and and then I'm also going to write a clever headline, something like the #1 reason why men pull away from you. This is pretty much all you want to do right here on LinkedIn. Just create an article just like this, and all you have to do then is just click on next, and it's going to give you this option to make a shout out for your article. So what you want to do is just go ahead and write there something like, check out this article why men pull away from you in relationships. And also what you want to do is add a bunch of hashtags in there, because this article is going to be ranking on Google. And also what you want to do to make it as visible as possible and relevant to the product, you want to add in a bunch of hashtags. For that, simply just go to Google and you want to search for rapid tags TikTok. Hit search on that and pretty much go to this first website that's called rapidtags.io, which I use myself personally for YouTube and for a bunch of other stuff as well. And recently they have released this TikTok tag generator, which is going to create relevant hashtags for something that's going to be pretty much popular on TikTok. And if it's going to be popular on TikTok, it can be popular on LinkedIn too. So what you have to do is just go to the search bar and you want to type in there the name of the product. In this case, it's His Secret Obsession. And then I'm also going to add in there the name of the image and also the headline of the article that I have created. And what you want to do then is just click on this search button, and it's going to generate this bunch of hashtags that you can use for this. So just go ahead and copy them and paste them into the LinkedIn post. And if you feel like that's not enough hashtags, just go ahead and generate a bunch of more and add them in there, and then pretty much just publish this post. Once you're going to publish this article on LinkedIn, it's going to take actually a couple of days to start drawing some traffic. And also because you added these hashtags right here, it's going to be ranking on Google, and every time somebody is going to search for this exact same problem that we are discussing in this article, they are that much more likely to find this one because it's posted on LinkedIn. Pretty much the entire reason why this method works so well is because if you're going to, for example, write your phone number with a Sharpie on a bus stop, at a pole, or at a bench or something, pretty much the chances are not that many people are going to see it, and even less people are going to call your number. If you want to do that for whatever reason, please don't do that. But imagine you are going to write your name on a SpaceX rocket that's going to be heading to the space soon, and it's going to be captured by all the televisions around the world. People are going to see your phone number, and you are going to get definitely thousands, if not millions of calls. And because you have posted this article on LinkedIn, which is like this powerhouse when it comes to Google searches, if you're going to be associated with LinkedIn, your article is very much more likely to rank higher in searches as opposed if you were to post it on some other website. Now actually it's going to take a couple of days for this article to rank on Google, but now comes the part where I'm going to show you a clever hack that I've been using myself in the past, and it has worked for me very well. What you want to do is go to this website right here that's called indexkings.com, and you want to pretty much paste the link to your article into this white field right here, and you want to check in this complex URL box, click on rapid index, and that way this website is going to generate tons of pings for your article on LinkedIn, which is going to pretty much work like a signal that your article is in demand and people are going to find it, as opposed to other articles with the same hashtags, and that way Google is that much more likely to rank it. So instead of waiting for like days to rank on Google, it can take literally just a couple of hours. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you learned something valuable in this video. If you did, just make sure to go to the comment section below and do let me know if this video has provided value for you. And if you want to see some other methods how to make money online in 2023, check out this video right here, for example, or just go through my channel and check out a bunch of other videos as well. I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.